Hello, in this video we'll talk about a new spy tool called Spysales. If you go to Google and type in spysales.com, it will take you to this website. Spysales will give you access to live sales tracking and more insights about your competitors' stores. Click on sign up, enter your full name, email address, password and confirm your password, and then click on how did you hear about Spysales. Choose whatever option here, and then if you want to subscribe to their newsletter and you have to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then hit sign up. But we're going to sign in to our account and click in sign in. Here you can see the dashboard. You can see the today's revenue of the stores that you have tracked and today's sales, and you can add a store from here. At the top left, you can see how many stores have you tracked and how many have you got left. You can also see the default currency that you can change. As for us, we have set it to USD, and you can upgrade your plan from here. And you can also see how many free trial days you have got left. On the left hand side, if you click on top performers on the drop down, you'll see two options: top products and top stores. The top products, it will give you the top product which generated the most revenue. In this case, it's called the Nevidium Shipping Protection. It's not a physical product, it's rather a shipping protection, but it's generated over $10 million in revenue and has over 270,000 sales. If you click on top stores, you'll see the top selling store, which is Noah Mode. And underneath the store name, you will see the store link. This store generated over $220 million in revenue and has over 5 million sales. If you click on the link, you can go to the actual store to see what products does the store sell, what is the theme of the store. As you can see the store name, everything about the store. If you scroll down, you can see that the store is in Dutch. You can make it in English. You can see what products the store sells. And if you go back to Spysales, on the left hand side, if you click on My Spysales on the drop down, you will get another two options. The first one is Tracked Stores. Here you will see all the stores that you have tracked, and next to each store you will see how many sales did the store get today, how many sales did the store get yesterday, in the last 7 days, and in the last 30 days. You can also get more information about the store. For example, how many products does the store have and what language is the store in. And if you go to the right, you can also click on Show Chart to see the actual chart for the same store. And if you click on Add Store, from here you can add the link of a store that you want to track, and just click on Add Store, and then it will automatically go to Tracked Stores, where you can keep track of the stores and its sales. That will be it for Spysales. Thank you for watching.